Day 6 is about keeping things calm and neutral, no expectations, no pressure, just observing and executing when the market gives me an opportunity. Welcome to day 6 of my 60-day Top Step Trading Challenge. The goal is to get funded and get my first payout. Day 5 was a good day. I had 2 good trades, and today I hope to do the same thing. I'm going to be trading the Sunday Gold Asia session, and the market's going to be opening here in a couple of hours. I have been enjoying being an observer of the market rather than trying to predict what it's going to do. It keeps me calm and grounded, and when the market presents an opportunity, I will act on it rather than trying to predict what it's going to do. I've been really enjoying gold sessions lately. I've had some pretty good trades. I do find gold a little slower than New York, which is a good and a bad thing, but I am feeling confident and good for this Sunday session coming up. I do also want to say I'm going to be joining a trading mentorship. I do truly believe that I will be funded and getting my first payout soon. However, I do take trading very serious, and it's something that I couldn't see myself doing for the rest of my life. So I'm going to be getting all of the help and knowledge that I can. I think the trading mentorship will really help me get to where I need to go faster and scale with trading. It's going to give me a lot of one-to-one guidance with a individual who has had lots of success trading in the past. So I did just wanted to share that with you guys quickly, just to show how much trading and this challenge means to me. And then I'm going to be joining a trading mentorship. So without further ado, guys, session's going to be opening soon, so I'll see you guys on the markets. Get analysis here before the markets open in 9 minutes. So I think what we're going to do, just looking at the 4 hours, we are still pretty bullish, and we are our next draw is all-time highs. I do think on market open, though, we're going to have some form of manipulation to fuel us to continue higher. So what I want to see on market open is us to come down and take out the sell side liquidity, but still respect this order block, so leaving a wick here through the order block. And then I would like to see a continuation, so either a protected swing, closure back up, and then once we get confirmation, I'll be targeting these highs here. And then if we do get that, relatively soon, we do have, a decent ways to come up. If we do get that, though, this is pretty high resistance liquidity. I would think that we would reject off of that and come lower. So we're going to be, expecting a manipulation, longing to all-time highs, and then shorting off of that. Way further than liquidity, and I don't think we're going to be rejecting. I think we're just going to continue higher. I forgot that Sunday is very directional, and I did have an entry here that I maybe could have took. We filled this 5 and formed a protected swing. Would have worked out, but I just thought we would have definitely drew towards this, and my backup was now the rejection block trade, but we are clearly continuing higher. So I think what I'm going to do now is wait for a retrace, hopefully fill this 5-minute gap. If we respect it and close above, I'll probably enter highs up to this 4 times standard deviation, and if we inverse it and come back down, then I'll enter shorts towards this weekly gap. So we'd have a bigger trade if we inverse and come down. However, we're at the point where we haven't reacted aggressively off of that liquidity, and if we're going to do so, it would be now. So we're going to either be in for a small long trade or a bigger short trade here. Sort of annoyed about this right here. I was just a little nervous about this weekly gap. Like, it easily could have just continued lower. In this case, it would have worked out to my favor, but we've been in this gap for a good hour and a bit. Looking back, I should have took this entry, and I think we're just going to consolidate now. We just took out all-time highs and we didn't reject enough for expansion. I think we're just going to consolidate. So I'm probably not going to trade this session, and that'll probably be a wrap on the video. To the post-trade recap, I could have took that entry, but at the end of the day, the weekly open gap is a pretty strong area of interest, and it did work out. Maybe next time it wouldn't. At the end of the day, I didn't force a trade. I could have traded at the top of the extension, just thinking it was going to continue higher. right when it retraced. So I didn't force a trade. At the end of the day, it's an even day. I'm going to be up for New York tomorrow morning. Hopefully we can find a nice trade for that. My guess is that gold is probably going to consolidate and honestly continue higher. But yeah, that's going to be it for day 6. I know I said in the past that if I didn't trade, I wouldn't post, but I haven't posted in a couple days, and I thought I was going to trade, so I'm still going to post this video. Day 7 should be tomorrow or the next day, and I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.